Om Namah Shivaya. Here he was saying extreme, unbelievable miracle conch pearl ever in a lifetime and never again like this piece. You can see very clear Shivalingam, conch pearl with clear Shivalingam. You can see the Shiva very clear Shiva and bottom Yoni and Nagadev very clear. And here you can see the Lord Hanumanji. You can see the Hanumanji eyes, nose, mouth, face, and with Lord Shiva Tilak near the Shivalingam. Completely unbelievable miracle. It is unbelievable miracle. Never again in your lifetime. Extremely very clear Shivalingam with Nagadev and Hanumanji near the Shivalingam. It is look like this conch pearl is related with the Ramayana. This conch pearl is related with the Ramayana. Unbelievable collection. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Extremely unbelievable collection. By seeing this piece, no need to proof of originality. Never been cloned this piece. See how clear. You can see very clear Shiva Yoni, and in that Shiva Bonalingam with real conch pearl natural, and you can see top very clear Nagadev, very clear Nagadev. And you can see Hanuman, clear Hanumanji near the Shivalingam. Looks like this conch pearl related with the Ramayana. Unbelievable, extremely unbelievable collection. Never in the lifetime again. Totally mind-blowing piece. Extreme miracle. Never again in your lifetime again. Very clear Shivalingam. You can see the clear Yoni and Shiva Bonalingam, real conch pearl naturally attached with it, nail of the conch, and very clear Nagadev. You can see very clear Nagadev, and extremely very clear Hanumanji near the Shivalingam. You can see clear to eyes, nose, mouth, and Lord Shiva. Like totally unbelievable collection. Extremely unbelievable collection. Unbelievable. You can see a yogi also internally. You can see yogi, Shiva Yogi. Extremely unbelievable collection. We can see many. You can see the Veerabhadra now. When take it closer, you can see many images. Unbelievable. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.